Oh my God, this is superb now. This is my first ever show as a music director, and this is happening in Holiday Inn. And I have chosen my friend who used to be a dancer with me in shows. Okay, she was nobody then.
नशा फोटो स्टूडियो जहाँ यादों की रील डेवलप होती है एंड ये एक ऐसा सेगमेंट है ना डब्बू जी जहाँ पे हम तस्वीरें दिखाते हैं जैसे हम फोटो स्टूडियो जाते थे ना वो रील मैट फिनिश करते थे पुरानी तस्वीरें एंड आपको उनसे जुड़ी यादें बतानी है क्या है तस्वीर में क्या हो रहा है एंड लेट्स गेट ऑन द जर्नी रेडी
रेडी Oh wow. Okay, now इसमें around 4 days back, I had a fall and my left hand was fractured.
अच्छा.
Okay, I remember this, and this is Spectral Harmony, the studio which is not there anymore.
जी.
And Shreya was the latest singing sensation, and this was a song which I think was for a film called Khel of Sunil Shetty, I think. और या आप मुझे अच्छे लगने लगे. I was doing a single with Shreya, I think so. Sonu and Shreya. मतलब one solo song in that film. Either of these two films. That's the closest I can get.
So this must be 90s.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yes, definitely.
और फिर और क्या हो रहा है? Are you in awe of how she's singing? कि क्या हो रहा है? ये expression में क्या है?
Yeah, because I think this photo is अच्छा मेरा हर म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर का ना इसमें दिखता है वो डेस्परेशन कि भैया वी वांट टू बी ऑन द माइक एंड टेक अ पिक्चर ऑन द माइक. इट इज लाइक सो अनयूजुअल. हम लोग सबको लगता है. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर श्रेया एट दिस पॉइंट सेइंग अच्छा अभी फोटो तो आपकी ले लिए, मैं गाना गाऊं क्या? आई कैन स्टिल रिमेंबर दिस डायलॉग. आई थिंक यू आर बेटर ऑफ बिहाइंड द मिक्सर और आप बहुत ज्यादा हम लोग दोनों आर्टिफिशियल लग रहे हैं. आई कैन स्टिल रिमेंबर शी सेइंग दिस टू मी. वो my God, this is superb now. This is my first ever show as a music director, and this is happening in Holiday Inn. And I have chosen my friend who used to be a dancer with me in shows. Okay, she was nobody then. She was just a dance, not even a dance director. She was a dancer and doing some choreography on shows. She had just begun. And I still remember approaching her and saying, "Okay, I am doing an event in Holiday Inn. There was a hotel which is Novotel now, and this was for a jewelry. This is like such. I love this thing happening. I want the recorded version of this. Yeah, it's crazy. So
yeah.
So the host of the show was Wajid. Her brother Sajid Khan, who was a big director. He was hosting the show. And I was directing it, and we had all the top models walking the ramp, and she had choreographed and designed the thing, and the show was produced and directed by me as the overall thing. This was the first show, so we'd done a lot of original music for the ramp walk, and it was like, it's crazy. Now what year this could be? 89, 90.
Wow.
89, 90. And after that, I still remember, this is like a point to be noted, when we did a show somewhere in Shanmukananda Hall also, just around this time. And I still remember this girl, Farah Khan, saying, Dabbu, you know what? I don't want to dance behind you guys here. I'm going to make it big. And I'm going to be in the front. Okay? I'm going to do what you guys do better and bigger. And she was like this only. Maa Behan ki galis and gussa. I still remember this particular thing. I said, but what happened? बोलते मैं थोड़ी डांस करने वाली ऐसे पागल की तरह पीछे. Are you stupid? And that thing kept in my mind for a long time to come. And next I know is that Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na was happening, and she was like the choreographer. So I don't know what actually was the story after that, but you know, that is what. And I remember Sajid Khan saying, "Okay, I'm not coming. I'm too fat. I'm not coming on stage, so I'm going to stand behind the speakers and host the whole show as voiceover. Oh, I said, what? But you're supposed to host the show. Bolte, nahi, but I don't want to come. And he was very shy about his being fat and all that. And he actually didn't want to show his face that he's hosting a show, okay? And he was standing. And then, and the whole show he hosted sitting behind the whole box of speakers and hosted the show. So that was amazing. So now this is a film, of produced. The name of the film is Sat Sri Akal.
Hanji.
And the film is produced by the great actor Premnath Ji.
Mm-hmm.
And Rafi Saab is singing this song that is composing. This is Mehboob Studio. I am all of 10 years or 11 years, I remember this. And the man in the center is the legend Qamar Jalalabadi, the lyrics writer. Whoa, I have a great memory. And let me think. So it was something to do with all Sassi Punnu, Laila Majnu. There was a song, I don't remember the song. It was in Punjabi.
Achha, it was in Punjabi. Oh, yes, of course.
Punjabi, yeah. Sat Sri Akal name of the film, I remember. Yeah.
My dad always says Sat Sri Akal, copy to all. रफी साहब से जुड़ी कोई ऐसी बात आपने उनसे क्या सीखा एज एन आर्टिस्ट या कोई मेमोरी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें?
आपके हसीन रुख पे आज नया नूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है, आपकी निगाह ने तो कुछ जरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है. ये सीखा रफी साहब से. This
Sunidhi is one rock star.
Yes, this is my favorite. Sunidhi is like, I'm very close to her. She's like my heartbeat. Okay, now Parthiv, me, I don't know who the gentleman is. Sorry.
Hanji, koi nahi.
It is a show. It is a show. It is behind the scenes of a show. And Sunidhi.
Look at how curly your hair is.
I had such long, and this girls के साथ भी मेरे बड़े थे, just like Amal. Same. Amal's total personality is like.
Maintain कैसे करते हो यार? कुड़ियों को भी बता दो. मैं जब भी ऐसे कुछ करती हूँ ना, तुमको बड़ा मजा पूछते हैं कि curls कैसे maintain करते हैं? Especially in a place like Mumbai.
Impossible.
है ना?
You have no idea. मतलब पानी oil पानी कर so frustrated we are कि कुछ नहीं होता. सारी जिंदगी I used to keep on telling mom, यार ये सीधे बाल हो जाते मेरे कितना अच्छा था. We are all born with this total curly and rough hair.
वो ऐसे होता है. It's the other side. मतलब greener. वो straight वाले curly वाले straight कहते हैं.
Yeah. like when I was working in 1992 when we were shooting in Bazigar. All that I saw of Shah Rukh Khan, I was acting in Bazigar, as you know. I was doing a small role. So, and constantly he was just taking a comb and trying to make that hair look okay. And I said to him, boss, यहाँ तो साले ऐसे लग रहा है कोई nest है छूट जाए, तो कितना lucky है, ऐसे करेगा तो नीचे गिर जाएंगे. तो बोलता है really? वो खुद surprise था. बोलता है मैं दिन भर इसको चिपकाने के चक्कर में रहता हूँ कि कहीं टिक जाए बाल. It was like the same thing.
मेरा एक दोस्त है जिससे कर्ली बाल है, वो कहता है कि अरे मेरे बाल से दूर रखो, कोई चीज घुस गई तो मिलेगी नहीं.
हाँ, मैंने तो कितनी बार 2 बार इसको straightening कराया ना. I became a joke. I got it straightened.
वो होता है सबके लाइफ में.
और सब ऐसे लंबे कर. मैं बोला my God, what has happened to me?
हाँ, then we go back to basics.
My God, you know anything about it?
Is this Pyarelal Ji?
This is Pyarelal Ji's dad. His name is Guru Ram Prasad Ji. Lakshmikant Pyarelal's father is Ram Prasad Ji, is also the grandfather of Mithun, the current music director. And father of Naresh Sharma, the Mithun's grandfather. And he used to live next to our building where we used to stay in North Bombay Society. And this is my earliest tuition that is happening to play piano, and I had failed miserably. And I still remember Ram Prasad uncle said, you know, तुम लोगों को सबको fly करने का शौक है. You, Anu and all that, कि कोई चीज सीखने से पहले you all want to become successful. And he used to hit us on the fingers कि कुछ सीखो. तो हम लोग तो बिल्कुल नहीं सीख पाए because he was such a strict teacher. Very difficult to, you know, because he expected us to work for 8 hours a day just doing one 8 hours तो करते रहो and हम लोग somehow the other and see हमारे घर में ना my dad was very lenient. Actually he was weaning us away from music. That's a story in itself because he had seen so much of problems and so much of setbacks and literally crazy times, you know, as a father and as a person bringing us up. That's one thing he never wanted us to do was to do music or become a music people, you know. So he was so adamant on our studies. So I think we all सारे के सारे ना सब studies के genius हो गए. Like nobody would know that Anu has done masters. Anu has done masters in entire politics. Abu did LLB, and I did BCom with computers in those times. So we were like completely ready, steady to go for jobs and all that. And then rest, as you say, is just एक के बाद सब music से हो गया.
Super. कैसी लगी आपको ये journey down the memory lane नशा फोटो स्टूडियो पर बनाए?
I think I loved it. This is the craziest part of the show. And it is such a wonderful way of, I think it's magical. This is like a super thought process. It's a great thing.